Hi, my name is David Miller with McCulloch Miller, an estate planning and probate law firm in Houston, Texas. Today I want to talk about funding a trust. On this channel, you've seen lots of videos where I talk about trusts. But one of the important steps with a trust is funding it, or actually transferring assets into the name of the trust. This is a very important step. If you skip this step, you'll have what we call a dry trust, or a trust that really doesn't accomplish any of your goals. When deciding on how to fund a trust, this is something you really need to work with your estate planning attorney and maybe a financial advisor to determine the best avenue. For instance, some assets like IRAs or 401ks can be transferred through a beneficiary designation. Whether or not you want a trust to be named as the beneficiary or an individual will depend on what your goals are and what makes sense for you in terms of your estate plan. Other assets, such as real estate, have to actually be transferred by deed, recorded with the real property records of your county for that transfer to take effect. Some assets, like brokerage accounts, might require a new account to be made in the name of the trust and have your brokerage account or your stocks or your bonds transferred to that account that's now in the name of the trust. The point is that for a trust to have effect, it has to have legal title over those assets, and there's a process to do that. That process is going to require the input of multiple people. Maybe that's your CPA, maybe that's your financial advisor, and definitely your estate planning attorney. You should contact our firm or any estate planning firm to decide whether a trust is right for you, and if you want to use one, how to best implement it and how to best fund it. Thank you very much.